Good morning, Dan Lawson here on this beautiful March morning, standing in front of an Evergreen model, which continues to still be one of AB Home's most popular models. New homeowners are gonna be moving in sometime today, and we'd love the chance to show you this beautiful home before they take possession. So come with me, let's take a look at the Evergreen model. When you walk in this home, one of the very first things you notice is the wide open foyer, and it's really nice and spacious. High ceilings, very, very inviting when you come in this home. As you leave the foyer and you walk into the main living area of the home, first thing you're gonna notice is how wide open this floor plan is. It's absolutely beautiful. It's great for entertaining, has a very large kitchen, fireplace, quartz countertops in here, which is absolutely beautiful. They also decided to upgrade their appliances, which came from Ferguson. Just another one of the options that makes AB Home so cool is that we allow you to really kind of customize the home to make it yours. The light fixtures that you see in here in the kitchen and in the dining area, those were also selected by the buyer. Right off the living room and the kitchen and the dining room area, you have your guest bath down at the end of the hall. It's a half bath. You have your washer and dryer down there, as well as your drop zone. So when you come in from the garage, you can kick your shoes off and hang your bags up. So super convenient as you enter the home. In this Evergreen model, the buyers opted to bump out that side of the room by 8 foot, added a personal door going outside to a little patio. Once again, just another thing about AB Homes. You know, we listen to the client, try to figure out what they're trying to accomplish and what their vision is, and then we try to make it a reality. So in the Evergreen model, double vanities. Once again, they upgraded and did quartz in here. Soaker tub and a stand-up shower. They opted to go with the rain head as well as the handheld. When the buyers opted to do the 8 foot bump out in their primary bedroom, they basically added 4 foot to the closet here and shifted the bathroom down a little bit. So this closet's a little bit larger than what normally comes in this particular model. A primary selling feature on the Evergreen is that it has 2 primary bedrooms downstairs, full bath with a walk-in closet. Just a really cool plan. When you come upstairs in the Evergreen model, it's got a nice little landing area here. Over the years when we built this home, we've seen people set it up as small offices. I got a nice view below to the front door. Evergreen has 2 very large bedrooms as well as a finished room over the garage, which is absolutely fantastic. People absolutely love this space. Over the years, we've seen people use it as movie rooms, game rooms. It's just a really cool space. So this home was built on a raised slab. When we do a raised slab or just a regular slab construction, the home does come with a 10x16 patio as standard. We can make it as big as you want. It can be covered, it can be screened, so lots of options there. Thanks for coming by and checking out the Evergreen model. It's a beautiful home, it's a great floor plan, absolutely one of our top selling plans. If you would like to learn more about how we could build you an Evergreen model or any of our other models that we have available, please feel free to give us a call, 757-435-9900. Find us on the web at abhomesva.com. I look forward to speaking with you and would love, absolutely love to build you a brand new home for 2024. Give us a call.